Wanna learn a language? This is the place, this is the AI, and I think it is the best AI ever for you. So this is the tutorial, don't miss it. You are going to practice the language you're studying or you want to study, and you'll thank me later by liking and subscribing, of course. Let's check it out and its amazing features. First, go to Lingolette. Link will be in the description. No worries, as always. Let's start. Click on More and let's see our options. You can choose how fast the teacher speaks. You can choose the language you speak and the language you are learning, your level. Make your choices. Okay, we have read, talk and words. What is this? Let's check out reading. You have many texts to choose from. Just choose the one you think it's the best for you. Now you have the text. It's written, but you're going to listen to it.
Anna, an 89-year-old woman from Sicily, eats mostly fruits and vegetables that are in season.
If it's too fast, change the speed. If you click on the printable, you'll get it as a PDF. As you can see, you have questions about the text. You can listen to the question if you want to. Hey!
In season, produce also tastes better, making it even in the winter.
Let's check out our pronunciation. You can hear it again, and you can practice.
More likely to try new things and expand your diet.
Then you get a report on what you said. This feedback is really good. Let's go back to our text and answer the questions. You can speak or write. If it's wrong, it's red. If it's right, it's green. Now let's discuss the text with our AI friend. Here you can also write or speak. If your answer is wrong or incomplete, it comments it under it in red.
Eating what's in season help you expand your diet according to the article you read.
If you click on words, there will be words from the text and you can choose them so that AI will use them more often for you to practice. This is absolutely mind-blowing, and this way you'll be practicing the vocabulary. I think this is a major app you cannot miss. Just go and check it out and download it for free. I really think it's wonderful. I'm not sponsored. I'm using it for the language I'm learning, and it really levels up the stakes, and it's really brilliant, in my opinion, of course. Many people will tell you that you will learn a language in like 10 days. This is wrong. I teach English and German, and I know it doesn't work that well. It doesn't go like that. You need to put in the practice, you need to put in the effort and the work so that you can be fluent. So don't forget to check my channel and its playlist, because you have educational AI and you have learn a language with AI, which is very, very good. It has a lot of apps and a lot of things you can do to learn the language for free. So, if you enjoyed the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.